Hey everyone, it is time for our Tara's must-have. It's a hurricane, not the kind you're thinking. These are absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. We have three choices, two backed by popular demand, our egg hunt and our flutter. And then of course we have brand new this season, our beautiful romance. Look how gorgeous these are. We have a beautiful detail of our red color here on the egg hunt. Look how beautiful that detailing is. It sits inside this beautiful band here that has some of that kind of floral detail, some eggs here, absolutely beautiful ring that you see there. The romance has beautiful red hearts as well as white beautiful pearls. And then they have fairy lights right there on the inside. That's what's giving them that beautiful glow. And then last but not least, we have the olive flutter. That's the beautiful butterflies. And I just have to show you the detailing on the sweet rings that it sits inside. Absolutely stunning. All right, I'm gonna put the lights on to just kind of give you a quick overview. There you can see this has almost like a pink interior that you see. There's the pop of the eggs there. Look at how gorgeous that romance is. Absolutely stunning. I just have to tell you, this is so much fun. Tuck these anywhere. And of course, they're on a timer. So you can set that inside and it'll go on the same time night after night. And then last but not least, look at that gorgeous purple. Love the olive flutter mixed in with some beautiful flowers. Look at that crystal butterfly that you see there. All of that beautiful detail, the crystals, the pearls, they are absolutely stunning. Okay, where can you find them? Over at temp-tations.com. They are our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What we brought in for the season is what we have. So don't wait. Pick up as many as you want. They are gorgeous.